The story began in the year 1992 when a humble yet dedicated visionary, Shri Brij Mohan Lal Munjal, sowed the seed of Ramakant Munjal Foundation in the memory of his son Ramakant Munjal, who was a philanthropist himself. The vision envisaged was a dream of enriching the lives of the underprivileged and building a happier and prosperous community. Little did he know that his first step in this direction would ignite a flame of hope for many that would blaze brightly through the corridors of time. The journey had begun for Ramakant Munjal Foundation with a core philosophy of empowering lives, shaping the future of tomorrow, creating awareness, building a sustainable environment, and bringing a smile back on countless faces. Aligning with the RKMF's core philosophy of imparting education to all, transcending the socio-economic barrier, Raman Munjal Vidya Mandir continues to impart affordable education with a focus on holistic development of every child. A standing testimony to the vision of Shri Ramakant Munjal, who believed in the power of education. But there is someone else in a tiny hamlet in Haryana who is also getting ready to go to the place she loves the most.
आपको पता है ये मेरा सेंटर है, मैं यहाँ पर पढ़ने आती है, ये मेरी दोस्त है, वो मेरी टीचर है।
आज हम पढ़ेंगे सेब्स क्या होती है? आकृतियाँ।
Synonymous to the name itself, Asha centers across India continue to provide remedial education to underprivileged children since its inception in 2005. Supported by Hero Motocorp and Hero Future Energies, these centers are giving a space to children from rural government schools to build their future. With the belief that empowered women can be powerful catalysts for change, the Skill Development Centers supported by Hero Motocorp and Hero Future Energies are empowering rural women with skills, giving a runway for their dreams to take flight.
मैंने यहाँ पे 4 महीने कोर्स किया, सिलाई ही नहीं सीखी, मैंने यहाँ पे अपना आत्मविश्वास भी जगाया। मैं अब अपने घर पे एक बुटीक स्टार्ट किया है, मैं हर महीने 10 से 12 हज़ार रुपये कमा लेती हूँ।
Recognizing the need to train the youth from underprivileged backgrounds in various skill-based courses for stable employment opportunities, the seed of Hunar was sowed with the support from Hero FinCorp. Through courses like Debt Recovery Agent, Credit Processing Officer, Retail Sales Executive, Tally and GST, Hunar is continuing to help the youth to build a financially stable and independent future.
हमारे काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनकी जॉब लग जाती है एंड आई नो दैट वो जॉब उनके लिए सिर्फ जॉब नहीं होती, एक सोर्स ऑफ इनकम हम क्रिएट करते हैं ताकि उससे किसी की फैमिली में चेंजेस आते हैं।
होशियार बनो, समझदार बनो, होशियार बनो, समझदार बनो।
Empowerment opened doors to earning, but managing finances remained a challenge for many in rural communities. Realizing the gap in financial literacy amidst rural population, Hero FinCorp launched Dhan Charcha, a financial literacy program in 2018. This program involves volunteers who go from door to door, educating the rural population about benefits of banking, savings, digital banking, KYC, credit ratings, various government schemes, and most important, how to stay protected from fraud. This program has come as a ray of light for the rural population, paving the way for financial empowerment. Who doesn't like going to a school that has well-lit and clean classrooms, painted walls, clean toilets, and a playground with swings? A school that they are proud of.
मेरा स्कूल पहले दिखने में बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं था, मुझे आने का मन नहीं करता था, लेकिन अब हमारे स्कूल में बहुत सारे बदलाव आए हैं और हमारे वॉशरूम
इतनी गंदी थी, पहले हमें तो जाने का मन ही नहीं करता था। ये गर्ल्स की जो प्रॉब्लम थी वो तो स्कूल छुट्टी कर लेती थी, पर अब हमारे वॉशरूम क्लीन हो गए।
With Pathak Shala, the school transformation program supported by Hero FinCorp and Hero Future Energies, children are returning to classrooms. The journey does not end here. Understanding the financial struggle of deserving students in pursuing their college education, RKM Scholarships was started with support of Hero FinCorp, giving wings to countless dreams every year. Hero Future Energies continue to support the foundation in driving community development initiatives, helping build stronger, more prosperous communities. From the installation of water ATMs in water-scarce regions to solar lights, every endeavor reflects a profound commitment to enhancing the quality of life for all. Many check dams have been constructed in water-scarce rural areas of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka, which has been a boon for the farmers of these regions. These check dams every year help in storing 15 lakh plus liters of water for farming and recharging the wells and bore wells. From opening Anganwadis to training government school teachers through the Pathak Shala initiative, counseling students for a career choice, through the Sarthi initiative, installing solar lights and solar heaters for BSF soldiers in the harsh high altitude regions of Kashmir, there was not one life from any age group who remained untouched. The light emanating from these diyas have lit up many lives so far. Hamari Asha shines as a radiant thread dedicated to uplifting women by providing a means of subsistence. The journey of writing stories of social change continues as the sun sets on yet another day. Ramankant Munjal Foundation stands as a testament to the enduring power of compassion, together hand in hand. Let us continue this journey of empowerment and transformation, for in our unity lies the promise of a brighter tomorrow.